I'm fixing it. I'm filming it. Oh, my poor back. Oh. Well, there it is, folks. My back couldn't take it anymore in my old chair, so I decided to upgrade to a Lazy Boy. I've been investigating this chair for a while, and I like it just because I could move the arms up out of the way. So let's unbox this guy and let's get it set up. I just got back from Costco here in Alberta, and just for reference, today is February the 27th, 2021, and the price was $240, GST not included. Well, I got everything out of the box, and this is what you should have. Looks like a front and a back, some mechanisms, a couple armrests, 5 wheels, manuals, bolts, tools. Okay, let's get this set up. Looks like we set the wheels on the pedestal first thing. First thing, let's get these wheels snapped on. Give it a good push. There you go, so they're good and flush. All on. Then it's set to take this guy and just push it in. That's it. So it says to put on the arms, we need 2 of these and then 2 of those. Let's get the arms on. Okay, so let's get these sides on. So the long one will right here, and the short one right there. And grab your Allen wrench. Righty tighty. Okay, repeat on the other side. So it might help just to poke the bonded leather down a little bit so you can line up screws better. Now let's take the remaining 4 32mm screws and let's put the bottom seat on. Now make sure this is out of the way. And again, a little trick, just kind of get that cushion kind of around those. Oh yeah, I think the best bet is put the chair on its side to get these on. You just want to, don't tighten them right away. It takes a little while to get them lined up. And let's do the other side. Let's tighten that other side. There we go. Then we're supposed to take these longer ones. They go up in the top. And then the 2 shorter ones go at the bottom. And we'll get this control mechanism mounted. And that says the front, so let's get this up to the front. And just get them all started before you tighten anything. There we go. Now it's wanting us to install a cable mechanism, and that would be the last little 4 screws, and then that nice L. So there you go. That's how it goes. Fits in there just nicely. And let's get the other one here. Same thing, kind of like that, nice and tight. Don't move them yet. Now, these cables are supposed to hook on these cable holders But these cable holders are vertical, and even in the picture, it's on the instructions, they're horizontal. So that's one little adjustment we have to do. Phillips, so grab your Leatherman. You better have your Leatherman with you at all times, just for this purpose, or you're going to have to get up and go outside and go to your junk drawer and look for your tool. So I just have to move it a little bit. There. Same thing on that side. That seems to be better with that, yeah. Okay, now, next step is we got to get this guy. That's what we'll need this for, but we got to get this guy on this. And the instructions are pretty clear. They want this to be on the bottom. Reach around. There. And now it wants us to actually set it onto the post. So let's set this on the post like it wants to. I think it'd be easier like this. Yes. That was pretty easy. And then just lift it. Just about done. Wants us to put on the 3 plugs that cover the bolt holes on the arm and the right arm insert. That fit in nice. Okay, well, this lever here is the up and down. Boy, if you're a tall guy, you're going to like it. Okay. You pull it up and it unlocks it. And if it in the down position, it locks it. You cannot tilt it back. But if you want to tilt it back, there you go. And you can kind of feel your back support moves a little bit. I like this chair because you can get the arms out of the way if you want to. Very few chairs have that. Now if you want a little less lumber or a little more, this is how you could adjust it. Just about out. Well, 9-day difference between the 2 chairs. After just a few hours sitting in it, this is way more comfortable, more padding. That other chair, it's a Turcotte chair. I bought that used a couple of years ago, and it's okay, but it hasn't got that much padding on it, so by the end of your video making or just sitting around for a few hours, you almost feel like you're sitting on a board. And of course the arms don't move up. The arms move up on this, so a lot more comfortable. It wheels a lot easier. When you're making a video and you're sitting in it for 6 hours, that's a lot more comfortable. So that is the manager's chair by Lazy Boy.